7 coming horizon, but now we're just 2. And yeah, I hope you are interested in the conversation.
Yeah, pero I think it's gonna be fun kasi we like to, we're madaldal naman, so...
Super. Kaya namin 2 hours.
Yeah,
So pwede tayo mag-work dito ng chikana ng mga 5 a.m. Okay, so that's very good to hear. We all know you guys enjoyed attending, performing, and interacting with family. So are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Para sa ating idol talk, can we sit down? Yes. Makakaupo ba? Medyo mataas siya.
Mataas.
Kaya. Okay. Kaya. Okay. So, ayan. Everybody's focused. So guys, so we're now here at everyone's K-pop today. K-pop playground. Let's start with who or what is your favorite K-pop group?
My favorite K-pop group as of now is ENHYPEN, Songbin. They're really cool, and I think us Horizon as a group also look up to them kasi they also came out from a survival show just like us. So medyo nakaka-relate kami sa kanila. Yeah.
So sino naman bias mo sa ENHYPEN?
Songhun,
Songhun.
yeah, and Jay.
Jay, how about you?
Mine, I'm a multi-stan, so I have a lot of groups that I like, but one that comes to mind is NCT.
NCT! Alright.
And Blackpink, yeah, a lot.
Hello.
And we really got to kumbaga porsige together kasi we got to share our hardships, and that really built our team chemistry. So
Yes. We all can see that, diba? Parang grabe rin yung nilabas yung effort talaga together. How about you?
From the get-go, it was so nice to have the best of both worlds from both here in the Philippines sa training and then sa Korea. But I guess yung pinaka-difference is a lot of our training in Korea, it was very structured because we had focus. We had focuses kasi may position.
So usual routines.
Yung madami kasi for me, first time ko mag-Korean nung lumipad tayo. A lot of the members, I think maraming shopping, maraming cafes, magaganda, and it's more local based. Hindi marami pa yung tourists, pero it's slowly building up there. Kasi for sure, alam niyo yung Hongdae, alam niyo yung Myeongdong, but Seongsu is one na parang very insider. Yeah.
Very insider.
Yeah.
Very Korean hip.
Yeah,
Hip
exactly.
location.
Yeah.
Oh, ayan guys, take note. Go to Seongsu Dong when
I like to gala when we have free time, and
kasi you said I like to gala. Ayun naman guys, sabihin niyo na si Marcos. Sige.
I like to walk around outside.
Ayan, English tuloy.
Arnett, mahilig ako gumala.
Okay.
Mahilig ako.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, training life aside, you know, because the training life is hard. Pero aside from that, we also got to experience the Korean lifestyle, and it's really nice kasi syempre a lot of us watch K-dramas, diba? And it's like living in a K-drama.
Oh, yung sabi ni Razer.
Yeah, and that's why
Ulit-ulit yung isa namin member.
super exciting to just kahit normal lang yung ginagawa mo sa labas, it still feels special. Pero siguro, if you guys go to Korea, try nyo talaga yung 7-Eleven doon kasi sobrang iba-iba. Ibang-iba yung 7-Eleven.
Ibang-iba yung feeling.
Yes!
Yes.
Kasi you can cook there and then doon ako tumatambay minsan.
Okay, but isingin ko lang kasi you guys been living in Korea, right? So meron ba kayong natutunan na Korean phrase or Korean word na parang wow, ang ganda nito and gusto ko tong sabihin sa anchors? Meron ba?
Pag kailangan nyo ng resibo, yung sujung juseyo.
Yongsu Jung.
Juseyo.
Juseyo. Ayan guys, kailangan nyo manghingi daw ng resibo sa
Oo, kasi di ba pag
Korea.
tax free kayo, di ba? So dapat yung sujung juseyo para
Ayan.
marating yung tax free nyo.
Yun ang words of wisdom ni BGC Marcos.
Favorite kong sabihin talaga pag nagko-Korean is 솔직히 말하면.
Solchiki Maramyon, which means
To be honest.
to be honest, so very honest type ka.
So, lagi ko siyang ginagamit every time na may kausap ako. 솔직히 말하면.
Solchiki Maramyon. Okay, so aside from that,
super laking pressure sa amin. Kasi of course, excited kami na makalabas sa mga stages, sa M-Countdown, Music Bank, all the shows that our idols have gone up to and performed. Super laking pressure sa amin kasi kami yung magiging first na all-Filipino group to do that and promote really so much. Kasi matagal din naman tayo nag-promote ng per comeback. Like, per comeback tayo mga up till 1 month. Yeah, we're like just rotating shows and everything. And ayun, super laking pressure but a lot of pride in doing that kasi parang napapakita namin to all the young Filipinos that they can have someone to look up to na can looks like them and like relates to them in a different level.
Yes.
We had the honor of studying history, kumbaga, and it's really nice kasi that's kind of Horizon's motivation. We want to keep setting milestones for the Philippine industry, and we want to represent the Philippines talaga. So the fact that we got to promote in every single music show, which is hard to promote in every single music show, kasi we heard din na not even yung mga K-pop groups, it's hard for them to go to every single K-pop music shows. Pero it's so nice that we got to perform everywhere, and it really is such a dream come true for all of us. And when we were in Dreammaker, when we were in the Survival show, we had goals. And at first our goal was to win and debut. But then after debut, we have another goal. That's to represent the Philippines this time. After we're done setting history, we have another goal. We want to hold concerts. We want to meet our anchors. We want to do fan signs. Kumbaga, every goal we reach, there's always another goal ahead. And that's kind of our mindset because we won't stop chasing our dreams and we won't stop being around. So we just want to let all of you know that we're not going anywhere. We're always going to be here trying to reach our goals.
Ayan, di ba may message na sila agad para sa inyo? But aside from your group or your individual goals, what changed in your relationship with the other members as you went on trainings and after you guys competed? Because we all know, hindi naman talaga kayo magkakakilala before, right? When you entered the survival show and then now you guys are in a group. So, what changed?
For sure yung yung ability namin to cope together as a group pagdating sa mga struggles and hurdles. Kasi as a group, maraming obstacles talaga in the way. Hindi siya smooth ride. Kasi 7 kami, so of course, all of us have individual, kumbaga, motivation to do things or like a different perspective. So it's nice that a lot of us have parang different perspectives and things na para mas makapag-work kami and synergize much better. Kasi I think it's very important for a group to have chemistry even not on stage but also like behind the scenes in like, our relationship. And I guess ngayon mas close na talaga kami kasi we experience living outside of Korea, away from our families and friends, away from our known real world which is here in the Philippines. So it's kind of like navigating through something in an unknown world together. So in that sense, doon kami nag-grow talaga.
Yeah, and like talking about chemistry, I think it's a big contribution to really up our chemistry was our trainings and just facing challenges together. Kasi we came from the survival show and it was still a competition individually. So everyone was kind of training on their own. Pero at some point, diba, we got formed and ever since we went through everything together. We cannot do things individually anymore because that wouldn't be a group. And now that we're a group, we face every challenges together, and that includes the hardships of learning Korean or adjusting to the culture there. Having hard times doing the trainings, pagod, ganyan, stress. The fact that we're doing that together really built our chemistry, and that's the reason why Horizon is Horizon until today.
Yes, so ang ganda naman nun kasi
hobbies do you enjoy during your free time? From Eva, I know this person. She's always watching my lives.
Oh wow, you remember the names of the lines.
Okay. Hobbies do you enjoy during free time? I like to play the piano recently. I've been trying to just play around and syempre, video games. I love video games. I'm a gamer.
When it comes to K-pop, I like watching new releases, so I'm just updated on what's popping.
True. He's always, you're always hitting me up with the new releases.
Yeah, trying to update everyone.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Iver. And stop. Okay. From Shell.
Ayun, sumigaw siya. Nasaan si Chel?
I think you should read it.
Then, hi Chi Instagram, do you have a new song coming up for Horizon? I actually written something kasabay ng Cole, and that's something
Ooh.
that is unreleased, but I don't even know if it's gonna see the light of day.
Yeah,
But
we're-
I have something backed up.
We couldn't even record that one.
Yeah,
But we're gonna wait.
yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, yeah, but there will be something, so just wait.
Also trying to prepare something for the anniversary.
Yeah.
Because it's almost our
Ooh.
debut anniversary again. Second debut.
Second year.
So yeah.
Teaser na. And of course, for our last post-it,
Tell stop.
Stop. For Marcus, ano po masarap na ulam mo? I mean, your ang cute ng handwriting.
sino nagsulat?
Kuya Chris.
Kuya Chris!
Chris. Shout out to Kuya Chris.
Parehas kami ng handwriting pababa.
Pababa?
Ah, may landslide.
Pag ganon.
Pababa.
My favorite food is cheese tonkatsu. Yeah.
Cheese tonkatsu. Yun ba ang recommendation mo for their lunch today?
Yeah. And when you go to Korea, go to this place called Just Katsu. Sobrang sarap ng cheese tonkatsu nila. What about you?
Okay. Oh,
Korea.
Favorite?
Okay, we can try Korea. Favorite namin Horizon is Mom's Touch.
Mom's touch.
It's chicken sandwich place.
Chicken sandwich. Ayan guys, marami na kayo nakukuha tips sa kanila when you go to Korea. One last.
Yes.
One last for the both of you.
Okay, for the both of us.
As a member of a global pop group, how do you handle stress?
Dito tayo sa harap.
This is a very deep question. Wow. Like,
It's meant to be chosen.
yeah, and honestly, mental health is something that we prioritize as a group. Kasi marami na tayo beses, di ba, na we felt burnout. I mean, personally for me. How about you?
Yeah, and I think it's normal din.
Yeah, it's normal kasi kumbaga our lives are always, our careers as idols never really stop kasi it's always another day to practice for the next performance, for the next appearance, because there are always our anchors here who are always showing support and love for us, so it's just right that we also pour in the same effort as them or even more, and I think it's just like, give and take, and yeah, we love doing what we do and we're going to be continuing doing it.
Yeah, and that applies to everyone, not just for idols and this industry, for everyone, guys, students, workers, you guys, everyone has their own stress. Everyone is
K-pop fans din, di ba?
Yeah.
K-pop fans yan.
Yes.
Mahirap kaya mag-vote, gagawa ko.
Oo, ang hirap kaya mag-stream ng mga music
Hirap
video.
yung bumili ng plastic tickets.
Pero yeah, like everyone will go through stress at some point, and at some point you will feel burnt out. And I want you guys to know that it's really normal. And for me, what I do is I just listen to music. It's my way of healing. And whenever you feel stuck, whenever you feel sad, just take it slowly and just relax a little bit, and slowly but surely try to stand up. Kaya niyo yan, guys. We love you.
Yes.
We're here.
Thank you so much, Horizons, Vinci, and Marcos! Palakpakan natin sila, guys. That concludes our segment, and we really enjoyed you guys talking to us here today. But before you guys go down, may we invite Miss Francesca Villar, Miss